Want to master Python dictionaries in just a few minutes? Let's break it down, simple and fast. In Python, a dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs, like a real dictionary where you look up a word, key, and get its meaning, value. Here's an example. Student equals sign, name Alice, age 20, grade A all, name, age, and grade are the keys, and their corresponding values are Alice, 20, and A. Creating a dictionary is easy. Use curly brackets, and separate keys and values with a colon. Check this out. Person equals sign, name John, city, New York. Print person. Boom, you have a dictionary. Want to access values? Just use the key inside square brackets or the .get method. Print person name hash output John. Print person .get city hash output New York. Both methods work, but .get is safer. It won't crash if the key doesn't exist. Dictionaries are flexible. You can add, update, or remove items anytime. Let's update John's info. Personage equals sign 30 hash, adding a new key value pair. Person city equals sign Los Angeles, hash updating an existing value. Print person. John just moved to LA and got a new age. Need to remove something? Use del pop or .popatem. Del personage hash removes age. City equals sign person .pop city hash removes and returns city. Print person. Goodbye age and city. Looping through a dictionary is a breeze. For key value and person .itms, print key value. This prints each key and its value neatly. Python dictionaries come with built-in superpowers. Here are a few must-know methods. Keys. Get all keys. Values. Get all values. Items. Get key value pairs. Clear. Remove everything. Update. Merge dictionaries. These make handling dictionaries super efficient. Let's recap. Dictionaries store key value pairs. You can access, modify, and delete items easily. Loop through dictionaries with items. Use built-in methods for efficiency. And that's dictionaries in Python. Made simple? Now go try them in your own code. Enjoyed this? Like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. See you in the next one.